Provisioning tutorial. Step 7. Add a mapping to create AD accounts. In this step, we'll create a mapping for AD account creation. Let's begin. Go to Output, Mappings. Click Add. Enter the shown values. Click Save. Now we will configure the mapping. For the Mappings filter, select HR 580 User Create. For the name generator, select NGAD. For the password generator, select PGAD. The columns of these objects are joined together and populated into the Items pane. In the Items pane, click the arrow button to preview the first record. To bind these columns to attributes in the AD target system, drag and drop their rows from the Items pane into value specification fields. For this example, we'll map the attributes as shown. Click Save. Now, we'll manually test a single user create operation. Go to the Run tab. Select one of the rows in the Operation pane and click Run Selected Item. Ideally, the user is successfully created in the target AD system. Logs are returned in the Item pane. If an error occurred, click its link in the context column to view more detail. This concludes the provisioning tutorial step 7.